Rahul, I'm from India. Okay, so I came to Myanmar in September 2019, and I've been here for about 1.5 years. And the key reason I came here was it's a new country for me, and I've lived in India and worked in India all my life, so I wanted to explore. Then, secondly, it was a unique opportunity to help set up Prudential's office in Myanmar from scratch. And I thought it would be challenging, but at the same time, I was excited as well. Okay, so I found the people to be gentle and kind and warm and welcoming, and they were made me quite comfortable, especially in the office, and made me feel part of a team, which was quite important. And I mean, however, I didn't really like the food here, so yeah, that's something which I still prefer and to eat Indian food here, which is good that it's available in plenty. One of my favorite things about Myanmar right now is uh, the the abundance of nature and the greenery which is there. So I feel that the people here are much more connected to nature and the the natural way of being. And I always like seeing more trees than buildings. So which is something which I really liked when I came here. So I am a frequent visitor at various parks in Myanmar. So People's Park is my favorite, and I do usually go there to walk and just disconnect from work whenever I feel stressed. So, and of course, secondly, personally, I do a lot of meditation, right? So, meditation requires you to have a sort of a silent background and noise-free environment, which is something which I found quite easily here. So, uh, that's one good thing. And in terms of people, I would say I've been following a person called Dr. Laurel. I don't know if you heard about her. So she's basically a doctor and she posts quite interesting videos, although I don't understand the language yet, but it's quite interesting. Um, One of the least favorite things I would say here is sometimes I struggle to connect with people effectively on a deeper level because probably I don't speak the language, and if not many people here are very super comfortable in speaking and understanding in English, so that's something which I have struggled a bit here. And uh, one thing which I would like as an improvement probably is that uh, people are a bit lazy and laid back, unfortunately, especially in the office environment. So we have to really push them, but not too hard because people don't like that. So need to keep a balance, but that's something which I would like to be improved. To be honest, I haven't really got time to explore the country much because the work has been really stressful, and I have been working most of my time here. And due to COVID, I haven't really got the opportunity to explore much. But I did went to Bagan uh, in 2019. So I would say I just went there for 2 days, but the beauty of that place is incomparable. One of the best, most beautiful places I've ever visited in my life, and lots of pagodas, and we experienced a beautiful sunset as well as the sunrise, so which was really beautiful. Um, I also got to see hot air balloons, but I didn't take the ride because I'm scared of heights. Um, but yeah, I would love to go back and maybe explore the place in uh, more detail and more with more time. Yeah, so I just went there for 2 days, but it's really one of the nicest experience in my life. So one of the unique experiences which I had here in Myanmar was the foot reflexology massage. So, which is quite, I found it quite relaxing, of course, and I never really had gotten any massage done to myself, and it's not very common in India. But I mean, the way that they do it here in Myanmar, it's quite really good, and at a very reasonable price as well. So, uh, like I mentioned before, my work is super stressful, but whenever I feel tired or exhausted, I go there and I just feel completely rejuvenated and completely like a new person altogether. It's so good, and I'm a regular there. I really go there like every 2 weeks, and it's something which I'll really cherish for all my life. And for example, there was a Yoma Bank marathon which was held last year. So I ran for 10.5 kilometers there, and my legs were broken after that. I couldn't stand up or walk, but right after finishing the marathon, I went there and I got myself a very good massage, and it was really relaxing. So I would rate my experience in Myanmar on a scale of 1 to 10 as 8 on 10. I really liked living here, really like working here, and of course the environment is very peaceful and very conducive. So yeah, so my experience here would be 8 on 10. And secondly, I do plan to stay here for um, the next 1 year, and yeah, so after that I'm not really sure. It may depend on how the work goes, but for the next 1 year, definitely yes. So I have really enjoyed my experience living in Myanmar, and uh, I do definitely look forward to living for another year here, and maybe connecting better with the people, understanding the culture more, and adding value to the country through my work. Yeah, thank you. मेरी तरफ से आप सभी लोगों को तहे दिल से शुभकामनाएं।